everyone, welcome back. This is the part 2 of Wrong Ways You Make Notes. For those of you who haven't seen our first part, you can click here. Also, don't skip the points as we will be announcing the giveaway contest instructions. The rules of this contest are pretty simple. The hidden message will be somewhere in the video, which will be at 2x speed. All you have to do is play that section at 0.5x speed to understand the rules of the contest. Okay, let's get started. Tip number 8. Being disorganized. Writing down your notes in a hurry before an exam or class may be extremely difficult and annoying at times. If your notes are disorganized and difficult to keep up with, you will just scratch your head. It is recommended that you organize your notes and use a separate notebook for each subject. If you utilize a single notebook, you can also color code each area and create different sections for each. Tip number 9. Lack of class participation. One error that you can also make is not participating actively in class. Why is this important in note taking? This is important because when you take part actively, that is, ask important questions, clear doubts, write down some key points that your teacher says, it creates a bonus point while you make notes. Since then you remember those important points, and that is one way of studying effectively through your notes. Tip number 10. Depending only on what is spoken in class. Many courses demand students to think for themselves, connect concepts, and criticize what they read. It is important to understand that you shouldn't completely depend on what the teacher is telling in class, but also use your own thoughts and mind which makes sense, something that is also relevant to what the teacher is telling. This will help you in a longer run, even when you write your exams. Tip number 11. Not thinking from an exam perspective. You may not consider the long-term use of making notes while you do. When you take notes, you only tend to write down what you think is necessary without thinking about what you might think in a study perspective before the exams. Mind maps might be useful in showing relationships between information in modules with important topics.
Share this video on your WhatsApp status, then take a screenshot of your status and share it with your contest head. Email ID is mentioned in the pinned comment and description.
Before you take notes next time, make sure it has a long-term use so that you don't get lost before an exam. Tip number 12. Not updating your previous notes. Students make the mistake of writing notes continuously, and as they write, those notes become old and they don't go back and reading those notes, and during exams, they lose marks because of this mistake. Hence, to avoid this problem, what you should do is keep updating your previous notes. Go back to them and write the new information that you get from your teachers and add those. These will help you in remembering the information for a longer period of time as you're helping your mind to revise what you have written previously, at the same time gain new information. So it's a win-win case. Tip number 13. Avoiding references. Successful students include exact quotes in their notes and always refer to the author or proper reference whenever needed. That is not done with a lot of students, and most of them lose marks in their exams due to that. Hence, make a point that you don't avoid references. Tip number 14. Copying from textbooks. Do not just copy textbook material because doing so is a sort of waste time. You need to understand the importance of writing notes in your own words whenever feasible. Writing notes in your own words might be challenging at first, but it is a skill that must be learned. Summarizing the subject, that is, writing in your own words, improves your knowledge, helps you to recollect facts in tests rather than simply copying terms from textbooks. Tip number 15. Students prefer studying over handwriting. One mistake that students can make is that they prefer typing over writing. Why is this not helpful? This is because when you type, you will most probably forget the information that you have previously typed. But when you write what you have written, it's not just on your mind, but also there is a muscle memory involved. That's why you must have noticed that when you want to remember something, your teacher tells you to keep writing that answer again and again. Hence, always prefer writing over typing. Bonus tip. Being overconfident. Many students think that they know everything and hence avoid making notes, and during the exams, while writing paper, they get blank. Hence, to avoid this, one thing to always remember is you must write notes. Whether it is small or big, writing notes will always be helpful in a longer run. So these were some tips that will help you to stay motivated while you study. Let us know in the comment section below how did you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.